Everyone, so now we are going to do one more lab here. If you see, let me give the name here. I will say basic switch lab 1. Okay, I already have this one, so let me create the lab with different name. I can say basic switch lab 3. Okay, now we are going to do one basic lab for switch. So what I will do, I will take the switch and we are going to do the configuration. Like we are going to check the basic switch command. We are going to take some computer and we are going to learn how MAC address switch is learning. That one we are going to do. So what I will do, I will click the switch and I will take one switch here. You can take any switch, this one or that one, whatever you want. Example, if you see here I have router, here I have switch. Let me take this one. I am taking one switch and I need to take some computer. I will take VPC. I will use 3 VPC, okay, or 4 we can take. I will take 4 VPC. VPC I am using, like this is like a computer, normal computer we can say, and we will connect here. So if you see I have the 4 computers I have, and we have one switch here. I will connect with the cable. Let me connect from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. And what else I can enable the ports. If you want to see the port here, and I can power on the switch, I can power on the PC, I can power on the PC, and we can take the CLI of the machine. I will take the CLI of this PC1, and then I will take the CLI of PC2, then PC3 and PC4. If you see, let me take the PC4 CLI, and we will take the CLI of switch also. Let me move this here and I will take the CLI of switch, and we can do the configuration. First we need to assign the IP. So I am going to write here what IP I am going to use. I will write here I am going to use 192.168.1.1 here /24, and here I am going to use, let me make duplicate, I am going to use here this 1.2, okay, this one, and here let me make this duplicate. I will take this here 1.3, and then I will make this duplicate again here 1.4. Sorry, I will go here, I will write 1.4. and what else? Now let's do the configuration. So I will go here, I need to assign the IP. So I will write here IP 192.168.1.1 /24, and I will save this one. I will check, I will write show IP to check that one. I will save this one. Now I will do the same thing to the PC2. I will write here show IP, and you can see I have no IP. I will write here 192.168.1.1, 1.2 and /24, and we can save this one. And then I can go to this PC3. I can write here show IP to check that one, and I will assign the IP 192.168.1.4, or this is PC3, so 1.3 /24 I will give here, and I can save this. I will go to PC4. I will write here show IP 192.168.1.5 /24, sorry, 1.4, we are using 4 computers, so 1.4 /24 I will write here save. Okay, now we can ping and check, but before that one, let's see in the switch what I will do here. I will write here show VLAN brief, sorry, no need to check VLAN, we can write show MAC address table. So you can see this MAC address is having this entry, and you can make the ping and check also it is working or not. Already you have the entry here, means they are working because they send the packet, so it is pinging, and here you have already the entry here. You ping here 1.2, you ping here 1.3, and you can ping 1.4. Okay, so everything is working. And if you see in your MAC table, you have the entry. You can write show MAC address table, and you can see what we are getting here. Switch is saying my port E0/0 is connected to one device whose MAC address is this one, and switch is saying my port ET0/1 is connected to one device whose MAC address is this one. And how I learn dynamically. And if they are not talking to each other, the switch is going to erase all this detail after 300 seconds or 5 minutes. So if this computer, example, if this computer is talking to this computer and they are not talking to each other till 5 minutes, then switch is going to remove that entry from the MAC table. This is the MAC table. If you want to check, you will write show MAC address table. With this command, you will get the MAC detail. Whatever present in the switch, you will get that one. Okay, and now if you want to delete, example, let's see it is deleted or not. Still it is not deleted. If you are not pinging, they will wait till 5 minutes or 300 seconds. After that it will delete. But if you want to delete, we can write clear MAC address table, clear MAC address table dynamic. Okay, and after that you can write show MAC address table and press and see nothing is there. So this way we can delete also. If you want to delete the MAC table, you can use clear MAC address table, and switch will delete all the entry. And if you ping, it will come. If you ping here, you can ping 1.4, it will come. If you ping, you can check this entry will be present. I ping only 1.4, so you will have 2 entry. Which entry? I am pinging from PC1 to PC4, so you will see PC1 and PC4 entry. How I can say, you can write show IP. This is a MAC address you have. Okay, this is a MAC address for PC1. If you want, I will put this MAC address here. Okay, this is the MAC address for PC1, and we can say we are pinging to PC4, so I can write show IP, and you can see here this is a MAC address for PC4. I can go and I can put this somewhere here, and now we can check in the table, MAC address table. You can see switch is saying my interface E0/0 is connected to one device whose MAC address is this one. This is a switch, this is a port E0/0. It is connected to one device whose MAC address is this one. You can compare, it is correct. This MAC address we get by typing the command show IP. We copy and paste here, and here we are comparing with the MAC table, it is same. And if you see this is a PC4, you can see you have this MAC address also here, and you can see switch is saying my port E0/2, this is a E0/2, is connected to one device whose MAC address is this one. It is connected to this device, his MAC address is this one. Okay, and how the switch learn that one? Switch learn by dynamically, means no one configure manually, automatically he learn, and after 5 minutes if they are not communicating, automatically this entry is going to delete. Okay, 300 seconds or after 5 minutes, automatically this entry is going to delete. So this is just basic about the switch MAC address table information. So later we are going to do in